Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Who should buy the Mavic Air? I'll have that answer coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. So who should buy the Mavic Air? That's a question I've seen a lot out on the forums in Facebook groups, so I thought I'd address that. And I believe there are three types of people that will be buying the Mavic Air. The first is going to be a Spark owner who wants to get an upgrade. That is the very first thing that came into my mind when I saw the Mavic Air being released. I believe it is, to me, I know, and I've seen the videos in comparison in size, it's probably maybe equal or a little, but I think it's a big brother to the Spark. It has features that the Spark does not have. It has the 4K. It has the folding arms on it. It has better battery life. We all know the differences as far as that's concerned. But I believe it's a logical step for someone who has owned a Spark to upgrade to a Mavic Air. So that's number one. Number two, the person who's looking for a compact foldable drone that shoots 4K that's under $1,000. They are very hard to find. Well, enter the Mavic Air. It does all of that. And it also, you get obstacle avoidance with it and other host of new features that we've already discussed at length. But I believe the person that's looking for that 4K drone that's portable, it's foldable, can take it with him, as you saw the presenter being able to put it in his, carry it out of his pockets, that's going to be an exceptional feature. I think that's fantastic. Number three, brand new drone owners looking for something that's portable, easy to use, easy to set up without having to compromise on features. You know, we all know the Tello just came out. Now that's going to be a super low priced entry drone that I'll be doing a review on when I get my hands on one. But it doesn't have the features on it. For example, you know, a lot of people and a lot of feedback that I saw after the Spark came out, where's the 4K? Well, this is what you get, the 4K with the Mavic Air, and you get it in a wonderful compact package. It's very easy, as I just said for number two, it's very easy and very portable. So to me, these are the three types of people that will be buying it. Of course, these are the types of people that I see that are going to be going out to buy the Mavic Air. If you like the content from today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I post daily updates on anything drone related, and also my blog where I do post out there as well any updates, and also every video that we do here, so I can let everybody who's in that group know that they're coming out there. Thanks for watching and happy flying.